So today's lesson, I will explain you about the wiring system installation. So in the wiring system, conduit and the cable trunkings are fixed to the wall, and the inside electrical cables are installed. So that on the wall, we firstly fix the conduit or the trunking. So on the trunking, we run the wire inside the conduit and the trunking. Through the conduit and trunking, we can run the wire. Therefore, there are the wiring system components can be divided into the two major aspects. So one is a fastener. So the inner wiring system, it includes the fastener and the wire installation. So fastener include the conduit. So that in this case, you need to cut the conduit, you have to dry the conduit, you have to thread the conduit, you have to install the nuts on the conduit. In the meantime, the conduit need to be screwed to the wall by means of the screw. So in this case, screwing include the nail or the timber screw, concrete screw, anchor, power fastener, chemical anchor, and rivets. Those are the equipments and devices to fasten the conduit on the wall. So that you have to make the sheet metal work to form the wiring tray or the cable tray. Therefore, the sheet metal cutting, folding, and the bench work, those are the metal work to form the appropriate size of the wiring fastener and wiring tray. So those are the fasteners. So this is the fasteners are the important aspect of the to supporting the wiring system. Then we have to install the wire. So the wire has to be installed. There are the enclosed, enclosed and enclosed. So they are kind of the wire installation are enclosed in air or the underground. Those are the wiring system installation. So there is a wire is a rubber with the insulation. So there is can be this we can call there is an enclosed system. So wire without any enclosure, this is the unenclosed. Either you can run the wire in the air or the underground. So the wires associated include the length holder, socket outlet, switch, and the circuit breaker. And then we have to wire up by using the crossing to the wiring circuit. So those are the important aspects of the wiring system. So the wiring is a circuit system, so that we have to utilize the appropriate hand tools to utilize for the wire. So the hand tools are the hammer, screwdriver, hacksaw, scriber, chisel. In the meantime, we are using the power tools. They include the drill machine, hand drill, and the grinding machine. And in the meantime, we also need to cut the sheet metal. Sheet metal cutting include we have to use the guillotine machine to cut the large sheet metal part, and we have to punch the sheet metal by metal punch, and also the hand notcher and the bend folder. So those are the kind of the devices to form the sheet metal work. So that this is how the wiring system include the wiring trunking system. So those are the devices to use the wiring system. So the wiring include this is a test board. Test board is a fastening tool. So in this case, you have to see the UEEEL0012. So that this is a wiring test board, and watch your textbook. So the section 3 measuring, marking, ruler, angle ruler, clipper, scriber. You can read from the page 65 to 75. In the meantime, holding, angle cutting, vice, hacksaw, file, chisel, hammer. You can read from the page 85 to 95. And the section 3 is a drilling. The drilling machine, rider, page 101 to 112. So this is for the link is here. Electrical Diploma 2018.blogspot.com. And then you have to go to the link EMPI 101A engineering practice. Then you have to see some link. So those links are the contents of the workshop's textbook. So you have to read those topics. In the meantime, page 114 to 125, the section 6, tapping and the threading. So that it includes die and the stout is utilized to make the external thread, and thread and the stouts are for the forming the internal thread. Page 129 to the 141 the section 7. So this is the general handle practice. So that you can read about the hammer, screwdriver, spanner, ruler, and also the shifter, pipe wrench, plier, cutter, and gripper. Page 145 to 161 the sections are 8 joining technique. So that you have to learn about the screw rabbet, welding, and the soldering. So here is a welding diagram. So here uses a welding machine, is a transformer. It can deliver the high current into the electrode. The electrode and the sheet metal parents are metals are the work metals are they are touching, so the high current will be flowing. So that because of the heat, it can produce a welded metals are the fall from the electrode and go to the workpiece. So the high currents melt the electrode, and the metals is a transfer from the electrode to the workpiece. So that we have to design the appropriate wiring system. So the wiring system is a requirement. It includes the degree of support. How to support the wire, whether you support with the wire by the clip or the conduit or the cable tray. Those are the kind of the support included. In the meantime, we also need to provide the fire protection. Especially if you run the wire to the boiler, we also need to provide the appropriate fire protection. And also the conductivity. So also you have to also highlight the flexibilities are steady, how the conduits will be connected wire will be joining. Those things also have to be concerned about. In the meantime, we also see the determinant effect, how the environment or the temperature outside situation affect your wiring system, also have to be concerned about. And also the protection against the external influence. External influence is that we have to protect the wiring system from the any mechanical or the solid material or the moisture impact or the vibration. Those things have to be concerned about. In the meantime, we also have to know about the outside ambient temperature, humidity, water, heat saturation, solar heating system. Those things have to be concerned about if you want to protect the wiring system from the external influence. In the meantime, we also have to set up the appropriate wiring system appropriate to the bearing type. So there are the bearing will be the multi-level or the single story or the brick bearing or the concrete. In this case, a kind of the bearing. Depending on the bearing, you also have to select the appropriate kind of material. The material is a steel or the aluminum or the timber. Those are the kind of the material utilized for the bearing construction. Those has to be concerned to design an appropriate bearing system. In the meantime, we also have to know about the installation condition of the electrical wire. There will be the how to do the electrical wire, whether you run the electrical wire on the conduit or the cable tray or the medic MIMS cable. Those have to be concerned about the wiring systems installation. So the degree of support, fire protection, reliability of the connection, and mutual determinant effect, protection against the external influence. Those are factors influencing the wiring system. In this case, our installation connection, whether you are installed or you are a sheeted cable or the cable tray conduit MIMS cable, you have to select protection against the external influence. You have to protect against the solid fastener, corrosion protection, pollution, impact, vibration. You have to protect. In the meantime, outside ambient temperature, humidity, water, heat, solar radiation, hazardous area. Depending on those conditions, you have to install the appropriate wiring system. Bearing types are their influence on the wire system. In this case, multi-level or the material usage, single, aluminum, timber, or brick or concrete. Those things are bearing types. they are influencing the wiring, appropriate type of the wiring system. So this is for the one switch are controlling the one light. So this is the supply switch and the light connection. So this is for the wire diagram. Real wire connection diagram. In this case, red is an active wire, and neutral is a black wire, and the I is a green wire. So this is for the, here is a switch wire. So here supply wire go to the main ceiling rows, and then the leg is connected, and then from here we run the switch wire to the switch. So this is for the one light controller, one switch controller, one light. So this is circuit diagram. This is the accurate wiring diagram. So here is a wire connection. So there will be the layout of the electrical system. So this is for the electrical system. This is in this case, these are connected to the main switch, and then from the main switch, individual sub-main switch are connected and connected to your light. So this is for the main system, and this unit separate. There are 3 units. 3 units is a supply, the electrical supply is connected to the 3 units. So this is distributor system, and then here 500 kV transformer and 400 meter long, and go to the main switch. From the main switch, we connected to the sub-main. And from the sub-main, is connected to the final sub circuit. So this will be the connection diagram of the main switch, sub-main, and the final sub circuit. So area is 100 meter square. We connect as a 20 light is controlled by the 3 switch. In this case, 500 meter square is you have to multiply with 5. So you have 100 light is controlled by the 15 switch. So this is the appropriately every 100 meter square we can install a 20 light. We can control by at least a 3 switch. And 3-phase power point is we can utilize the 100 meter square. In this case, you might need a 6 power point, and 500 meter square you have to multiply with 5, and then you go to the 30 power point. So they are the kind of the appropriate estimate how many light can be controlled by how many switch, and depending on the area. So this is for the appropriate wiring circuit, plant circuit, and all the lighting we connect it like this. So this for the main switch, and the main switch 3 main switch we control the 3 light installation, and this is wire diagram. So this is for the appropriate wire diagrams are basic plan. And then we are talking about the grid and soldering. Grading operation